Good day everyone. My name is Prof. Edwin Dwayne Hardin and welcome to my podcast channel, Real Talks with Prof. Dwayne. Today, our topic is again about my book, The Sell Right Concept with subject The Value of Fieldwork. The value of fieldwork is intended primarily for leaders, sales supervisors and up, and it is one of the most important disciplines for sales leaders in the FMCG industry for various reasons. There are two disciplines of fieldwork, the work with and the work back. Today, we'll discuss about the work back discipline. While work with is when leaders or sales supervisors conducts coaching and enabling session with one down using the guided 555 coaching process. The work back is when one up conducts fieldwork alone or on his own. The objective is to determine business potential and opportunities in a particular territory. This means it will include visit to all stores that is located in the particular area, visit to both existing customers or non-existing customers. Again, to both existing customers and non-existing customers, meaning all potential outlets. Develop new business plan that will address the potential and opportunities in one particular area as a result of the findings. Identify sources of incremental businesses. To review the entire territory in terms of coverage, again existing or non-existing customers, stock weights, range of distribution, with stocks or no stocks, product freshness, how the product is displayed, the execution of point of sale materials, pricing compliance, accounts receivable status of the outlet, competitors' activity, among others. The workbook findings shall be considered as the primary discussion points during the regular meetings or huddles, as this is reflective of the real and current situation in the market. Define the demographics, economic, and political outlook of the area. In the FMCG industry, the basic sales discipline is called predictive salesmanship. It is literally called predictive because there has to be a sense of predictability of visit by the salesman to his customer to ensure that inventories are managed, no over or understocking, fundings are secured, which means accounts receivable are promptly collected, new programs are communicated and updated if you have regular marketing campaigns. Customer support is demonstrated while friendship is maintained. This discipline is done by the salesman as part of his daily routine, right? But with less capability to capture the opportunities and the potential of the territories. And therefore, the role of the leader and supervisor will now come in to support this deficiency or gap. Yeah? Here's brief instructions on how to conduct the workbook as underlined in the Territory Opportunity Spotting Form, TOSF template, which I designed. Step 1. Understanding the checklists. Check the store if it is an existing client or not. If not, ask why it is not part of your customer database. As a rule, it should be part if it is considered a relevant outlet. Again, a relevant outlet in relation to your business model. Yeah? Why? Because not all customers are relevant vis-a-vis your products. You need to know if your must SKUs or safekeeping units, focus SKUs, and new product intro is present or not. And then ask why. Where are the sources coming? Is it from your salesman? Or is it coming from their purchases from some wholesalers? Is the product well displayed or visible by your consumers? Is it fresh or in good condition? Are marketing collaterals in place properly? Are the stores complying with your suggested retail price? How about the SRP of competition? What are the competitors doing in terms of marketing campaigns, among others? Since you are already in the field, you might as well do financial audit in terms of the accounts receivable of your outlet. You'll be surprised to discover maybe a little bit of irregularities, i.e. kiting, unlimited collections during your audit. If necessary, this could be an avenue for you to assist the company in your collection efforts. The findings obtained are valuable information for your actionable items to stay competitive in the business. Step 2. Capturing the potential and the opportunities. You will find peculiar insights on opportunities or gaps and business potential in the area. Therefore, note it down and indicate in the insights spotted in relation to step 1 above, and pencil this as part of your next steps to include the persons responsible for immediate discussion with direct reports and or line managers, or for use as your discussion agenda in your regular weekly meetings. Do not forget to always include competitors' activity in your findings. That's very important as well. In summary, the findings should be the basis for your weekly imperatives discussion points and for you to arrive at actionable items on specific findings during your period. Further, the workbook using the Territory Opportunity Spotting Form template or TOSF will also validate the results of the work with using the 555 coaching done with the salesman handling the area. Remember the last time I gave about the topic of work with, which is the 555 coaching in my previous podcast. This discipline should be a must for all sales supervisors or leaders. And yes, I have done this in my own corporate life with my team and has brought me very, very good results. The reason why I am sharing this with you guys. Okay? I hope you learned something from this session. I am available to conduct training and consultancy on the subject matter, and please subscribe to my podcast channel. Just a like is okay with me. More uploads on Real Talks with Prof. Dwayne to follow. And lastly, from the Bible in Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 6, and it says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean to your own understanding. In all circumstances, acknowledge Him and He will make the path straight for you." Keep in touch and have a blessed day ahead of you. Bye.